What are you doing, Nina?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm painting
What are you painting?
green things.
Green things?
Yeah,
Ooh. What kind of green things?
green things that I like.
Green things that you like.
Uh-huh.
What is that in your hand?
A scrubber.
A scrubber?
Uh-huh.
And what's the other thing?
A paintbrush.
Are you scrubbing something? Is that why you have a scrubber?
No,
What are you doing with it?
I'm doing this.
Ooh, beautiful. What is your picture going to be of? What are you painting?
I'm painting the sky.
What else?
A lot of things.
A lot of things. Oh, interesting. Will you show me when you're all done?
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.